Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do another tier list. Since my last tier list video got over 50 views, y'all guys seem to enjoy it, so why not do another one? Okay, so today I'm going to do 2000, I think 2000s, yeah. Some of them are from 1990s and stuff, but cartoons, and some of them are pretty decent, but some of them are ass. Alright, okay. So I saw two episodes of this. It was actually really, really good. I liked it. I didn't really watch Batman. Steven Universe, I didn't. I After the second season, it just fell downhill. I really didn't like it. I'd never seen this. Uncle Grandpa. No, that show was on LSD or something. I don't know I don't know what this one is. Samurai Jack, masterpiece. Total Drama Island. I love that show. What the fuck is that? I've never seen that. Young Justice, never seen it either. What is this, Clarence? I think it was a D. I actually didn't really watch any of the Batman stuff. Ooh, Foster's Imaginary Friends. That's a solid B right there. The Jago, didn't really watch it. I don't even think you see that. Oh well. I put it on D, so I didn't really watch it. I'd never seen this before. What is this? I can't read it, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Uh, Never seen this. Kick It. I didn't really watch it. I didn't watch this. Only the movies. I didn't watch this. I didn't even know Hot Wheels was a cartoon. Adventure Time. Freaking amazing. Almost Naked Animals. I mean, I'm gonna put them at a C, just because. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Y'all might put them lower, but it was a funny show. Camp Lazlo, B. I enjoyed it. Class 3000. I actually never seen it. I need to look up some of these. I might enjoy it. Cow and Chicken was another show on LSD. Craig of the Creek, I didn't really enjoy it, except for one episode, but I don't know. Never seen this. Chowder. Oh my gosh. You, y'all four beautiful, beautiful shows. I wish y'all guys had more seasons. What the hell is this? I don't know these new shows. Really? Ed and Eddie? It was an A. It's an A. Okay. Flapjack. Oh my gosh. Eh. Can I put it up there? Okay, go over here. I love Flapjack. Green Lantern. I only seen the real life movie with Ryan Reynolds, and it was alright. Generation Rex. I've seen commercials of it. I mean, y'all guys can completely shit on me for not seeing some of these shows. I don't really care. I don't know really. Never seen this. I've seen commercials of this, but I haven't really watched it. I bet it only lasted for one season. Ben 10, solid A. Infinity Train, never seen it. Never seen this one. What is this? Jackie Chan? I don't know. Johnny Bravo, the man himself. Johnny Test, another A tier. I haven't really watched the new Johnny Test yet, so I'll have to see. Justice League, that's like the only superhero one from the DC universe that I've watched. Apple and onion. Nope. Never seen it. Never seen this one too. This was just a freaking app. It was like a. It wasn't even really that fun, I guess. I mean, they only made you like download this app to get magic swords and stuff. But I don't know. Never seen this. Never seen this either. What the heck are some of these? What are these? Okay, I've seen this one. Powerpuff Girls. I'm gonna put it right there. What? What is that? Hold on a second. I've seen this guy. Hold on a second. Is that the guy from Regular Show? Coffee Man? Probably. I don't know. Just because I'm gonna put him. I'm gonna put him up. And speaking of Regular Show, you deserve an S. You were so beautiful. Sonic Boom, I've seen it. They have good memes. I don't know. I'll put them in C. What the fuck is Squirrel Boy? I don't know what that one is. Teen Titans, the original one. Oh my gosh. I would come after school and just watch this all afternoon. It's the OG Teen Titans. Teen Titans Go. They had a good, and they had decent ones. I mean, not my favorite though. Okay, I wish there was an S plus tier because Amazing World Gumball, Regular Show, and Teen Titans and Adventure Time, they all need to go up there. I actually watched some of the Clone Wars, so I'm gonna put them B. Garfield show, I watched that all the time on Boomerang. Annoying Orange. I bet it was just a guy who was just like high and shit, and just imagine these fruit and vegetables talking to him. I don't know. I haven't seen the new whatever Powerpuff Girls this is. Courage. Thundercats. I've seen commercials, but not really anything else. I don't know this one either. Oh, I've seen this. Boomerang brings back memories. What's this one? I've never seen this one. Huh. Total Dramarama? It's a stupid show. And the only one that I can remember was a fucking leprechaun fart, and the kids were just like, ah, yeah. I don't know. I don't know this one either. I've seen 2 episodes of this. It had potential. I Victor and Valentino. Never seen it. We Bear Bears. You get a A. And I thought I already did this one. But yeah. I so I've only seen probably half and half. Yeah, I haven't seen 30 of these cartoons right here. I don't think I'm missing anything. So out of the 66 cartoons that are on here, I've only seen 36. So I don't know, maybe in the future I might see this if I ever see like if I ever go back to like Cartoon Network or anything like that, but I don't know anymore. Let's check out the community. Okay, this is respectful. I don't know. I wouldn't put Powerpuff Girls up there. I mean, they're all right. I don't know. Dang, or they've seen a decent amount. Well, if you guys don't agree with me, that's all right. I mean, everyone has different opinions and stuff. And if y'all guys like this video, please like and subscribe if you want. And I'll do more tier lists. I mean, this is kind of fun. This is bringing back a lot of memories for me. So, see y'all guys soon.